Got a little update on the Ford again. Got the dual fans put in. They turn on at, I believe, 190. I forgot to check, but got that done. They're all wired up and they work good. Overflow bottle was overflowing a little too much. I think I had too much fluid in there, if that's a thing, but because that top hose was hard as a rock and it was about where the level's at now, but it filled up all the way and was overflowing. But got that problem solved. Now it's fine. I see a little bit of the wiring in there. It's not real pretty. I'll clean that up later, but got my, had to put a new thermostat in because I didn't trust the old one. It had been in there forever. I don't know, I bought the truck with that, so now I just need to clean it up a little bit. I think I'll pull it out and pressure wash the motor and paint the inner fenders and get this wiring put in looms. I got a new oil pressure gauge that doesn't fit, so I gotta replace that. But yeah, other than that, I got my new bezel right here, and that's about it.